On the dark head, but come back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing something. You know the situation with this corona thing, the whole place upon lockdown, yada yada. So because of that, I'm not really trim. Well, I could have trim, but I don't want trim, you know. So the hair kinda stay bad now, stay away. So what am I gonna do? So yeah, for the people who know me, know say at one point I did lock my hair, and the only reason we did cut that is because we did get this work and it wasn't appropriate for the work. But all this COVID thing are gone. Months now I don't hear from my boss, so I don't even know if we still have work. So watch out. At least for the time being, I'm gonna do something to it, you know. Oh yeah, I forget, I have something for sure. Something I did at work on during quarantine. No. So what I do? I use the quarantine time and, you know, did that work on some developing some skills, you know. So yeah, this is basically my quarantine art. Well, this is one of the piece. I'm gonna find the next piece, show you. Yeah, I had to do some searching, but this is the second piece I did, you know. Hello. Hello, Zoe. You busy? So, something more I do for me. I could have think I could have plait my hair for me today. Alright. Man forward. Shit. Yo, in a car had a Fred car nice one. Anyways, I'm just come go over. Just come go over Zoe now, and she said she can plait my hair, so man go go to top. So I'm gonna deal with that right now. Up in the streets, you know. Make sure you have your mask. Drinking, they have curfew. They have curfew. No? Even if you can't hear me, but right now I'm try to walk going to the little Chinese shop or something to see if I can get a curfew. Hello, my friend. You sell curfew? No, none. Jaja. Try to get. They try to get kerchief, but we can't get none. So now, let's try to get some snacks for my little brother. And say what do you want to do? Yeah. How much is kerchief? 100. Yes, you have no black one? Yeah. Yes, so yo, some crazy people up on the road, brother. This taxi man just run out. Yo, I'm not even sure if you see it, but this taxi man just run out in front of me. Like, what the hell? That's so I left it, you know. I just call it, yeah, so. Yo, it kinda breezy away still. Jaja. You think it could say, I go for comb me here and me not wash my head, like probably should have washed my head. All the girls that may watch the video or the niggas that comb them here, comment down below and tell me if that nasty. Now, Zoe. Yeah. You want to have one?
No, let's see what we can work.
Eh?
Let's see what we can work.
Long time now, I used to use that pen with the phone. So my head stay, I don't even know if it can fly.
No.
No?
The front, yes,
The front?
The back.
Yo, try a thing, yeah.
Yes.
Cause the back did low, for real. Last time I trimmed it, I did one fade.
The back thing, but the front.
Yo, when I wash my head, you know, and I want to comb alone, me have some more have hair oil and them thing there.
Yeah, shampoo.
So I will wash it, everything you want to do.
Wait, you see it no wash. I don't wash.
Can I wash it? There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm tired feet and not up and I drop out. Because I can't take my hand out of it. Cannot.
They're not insurance.
True. Pick it.
Oh, tomato boy. Stop.
True. Yeah, that man said just I don't like nothing. Just skin around it, man. Just try. Anyway, stop.
Yeah.
Same. I had can.
Just to tell like on time to do.
But last time I did fade, man. So I did think that this would have probably give a problem. Yeah. The way how you want to do it, I base it alone, yeah.
And then you can take it over.
Yeah.
It do, but it's like an admirable. Oh my! Oh Jesus!
Yo, you're evil, you know? Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Miro, you look like a madman. The thing guys is for the vlog. No look true, but if they part I could have catch. Probably if Era never did it, could have probably catch.
Yeah, like,
oh, the man favor, man. Oh, he's so beautiful. Zoe, stop laughing off of me now. Cute. The girl, them love you.
You love more style?
No, just hold it and go around, man. Just sit down. Yeah. Yo, don't laugh. Yo, stop laughing off of me now, man. You know me not like when people laugh off of me.
One more circle.
One more circle. What's so funny around here, but I understand what's so funny
It
around
don't
here.
look bad, but it can't go, eh?
It can go on. Oh gosh, man. Boss all have edges. Edges the boss have. What on the front of my head one cover? A mad man, you know? I back of my head one cover. Can watch her. You want to game me, you know? Yo, you know when You actually give a little picnic come and push them in our way, so. I was conk them.
Listen to that.
Naki used to do that. And Jeffy used to do that.
I pick up the two right now.
Where the man?
You want them? I two you have. You want them? I'm not just the way for me going. That's how we don't call Labu. You know what? No, you pick up the whole rack one now. See me that?
Only for mango they for 3 months old.
Man, I idiot. I know you. Yeah?
No man, them place I could have catch man, so we watch out. Them place I could have do better. Yo, go on mango, you know. Where you say that? But say what you better start. Why you start over? Tell me why you start over now. You feel idle. Oh.
I just want to come in.
You have a comb?
I want to record there.
Yeah, that's what I want. I read it homemade gym this. Jim. She can listen to Nigerian sugar mama.
Our business group are joining. No!
I'm so much battery buy for you. $400 feed pussy.
Oh, what actually how much for?
Just for game, brother.
4 meals feed. Come on, oh. Watch out. Brother, that no goal.
The shootout starts. Here's the first penalty taken.
Let's go, shit the same. Me. Yo, I don't know if you take them sitting in the dog. What the hell? Brother. Yo, no bother.
Yo, Shiki, about how long we play FIFA? About 4 hours. Or more. Why man can't have girl best friend, man?
No.
Yes.
It's either show well ugly.
No.
No. You see for the attractive other on a bone.
No happy.
You can't tell me that.
So you don't believe some man can have self-control?
Is either with kiss before?
Or a woman can't have. A woman can't have self-control. Morning, still they look like a madman. So the camera died last night, and while the camera died, something extremely interesting was happening. Definitely one of the scariest experiences of my life. I can't talk about it still, but let's just say Babylon did involve. No problem. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to thumbs up the video, you know? Leave a like, leave a comment, tell me if you like my hairstyle. Probably super low this, but yeah man, big up on yourself and leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, check out some of the other videos, and no matter what you do, remember these 3 words: patience, humility, and consistency. I'll see you in the next video.